Go on making a quick review here of these magnesium pellets within this cleaning item here. As you can see, it's right in the mesh. It's pretty lightweight. I've been using the product now for quite a bit of time, and actually you can use this product to wash your clothes without detergent. This is a very natural product. It is much more better for the environment and actually healthier for people that have skin conditions. So I'm gonna post a link below, and of course press the like button after you watch this video and subscribe for more videos that I will post. And here you go, here's the video. I'm gonna make a quick video here of this Japanese product. This is a great product I had purchased from Japan. You can actually buy it online as well. This is the barcode if you want to be able to search for it online. Let's go ahead and zoom in right there. So this is basically magnesium pellets in this pouch, and what it basically does is it softens the water. So inside your washer, when you're washing clothes, the water is really hard, so the water to go through the fabric itself is very difficult. So what magnesium pellets do, okay, and the pellets don't come out of it, is inside this pouch, so it doesn't get fully released, the pellets out of it. But when magnesium pellets go into the water, it softens the water, so the water can freely go through the fabric and clean your clothes much more easily. With hard water, it is very difficult, right? The water cannot be able to flow through the fabric as much, and this creates a lot more difficulty for the cleaning process. So the pros for this is you don't have to use that much detergent to wash your clothes. Now you can use a much smaller amount, and your clothes are going to be much cleaner because now the detergent and water is flowing through the fabric and cleaning it much more properly. And you can use this pouch like over, I don't know how many times, but I was told about over 100 times. And this costs me about $25–30 for one pouch. So it might be different if you go online, but that's the cost of it. So let's go ahead and take it out. So what you do is, and by the way, when you do wash your clothes, what you want to do after you wash your clothes, you take this pouch out, and to hang it, they have a nice little thing where you can be able to hang it on, you know, the doorknob or like a hanger, so it can air dry. That's what you want to do all the time after you use these pellets, because if you just leave it in there and the moisture gets to it, that's not good either, right? It's like wet clothes and you leave it there wet, smell, and this everything doesn't work out properly. So anyways, that's a quick overview of everything with this pellet, magnesium pellet pouch here, and you just throw it in there in the clothes and you just wash it. Simple as that. So there's not much to it. You guys can find this on Amazon. I did find it on Amazon, so if you do search out the barcode that I had in the beginning of the video, you will find it. There are other products as well that do sell magnesium pellets for laundry, so just feel free to take a look at it. And guess what, you can make your own as well if you're you know, handy dandy looking to make it, because the ones here in America that sell magnesium pellet pouches, I saw for like $55–60, so they're quite a bit of money, and you can be able to create one yourself if you like to. So anyways, that's a quick review of this. This is a very helpful and unique product. I highly recommend it. And if this was helpful for you and you've tried this out, please post your comments below. I want to hear your thoughts of using this type of, not this specific product, but magnesium pellets for cleaning clothes. And press the like button if this was helpful. And look forward to the next video with you guys. Thanks.